Now imagine waking up to daily news headlines freshly printed on your dot matrix printer. One programmer came up with a system to do just that.
In today's digital world, invoices and delivery orders already arrive digitally. Yet many businesses still print every single document. Every print comes with a hidden cost: paper, toner, maintenance, copier rental, electricity, and unnecessary manual work. The real problem begins after delivery. Signed delivery orders can easily go missing before they ever return to the office. Sometimes your driver submits documents days later, delaying invoicing, delaying collections, and delaying your revenue. Even worse, a lost delivery order may mean redoing paperwork, customer disputes, or invoices that cannot be issued. At times, no one is available to receive the goods, forcing another delivery trip and creating unnecessary logistic costs. With our proof of delivery solution, every delivery is digitally signed, timestamped, GPS verified, and instantly synchronized back to your office. Your finance team receives completed delivery confirmations immediately, allowing invoices to be generated faster and improving cash flow.
Yes, hello?
Stop managing paper, start managing revenue. Transform your delivery process with digital proof of delivery.